We've got a knee injury here. Miss Melissa, you fell down, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Something along those lines, right?
Just sailed over some steps.
Come on, hey, it happens to the best of us sometimes, okay? So we're working with her knee. We're going to do a quick check of the muscles, make sure the knee's firing, and then we already adjusted her lower back, which is important. So we're going to check now. Up and in, push that way, push, push, push. Oh, your favorite one. Push again. Toes up, 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 push, 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 push. So sorry in advance. Sometimes the muscle work hurts a little bit. We're going to work on her prop radius here. And, those aren't tears. I think it's a little, it's a little dry air in LA. That's what it is. I'm gonna breathe nice and deep. And out. So we gotta keep those muscles firing so this chica can do what she needs to do. Breathe nice and deep. What's that expression? Don't cry on camera. Yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna bring it back up, toes up and in, push, push. Solid as a rock. We're gonna breathe in nice and deep. And out. Beautiful, that's a counter strain there. We're gonna lay face down, my dear. We'll do a left lateral hamstring relax here. We'll do a little bit of myofascial release on her left lateral hamstring. These are all supportive muscles. It's like a little bit of a recipe when you're working with the knee. We're gonna check and adjust her knee if necessary, but her foot, we're gonna adjust her navicular, drop, drop, drop. Wow. That was amazing. I'm going to lay face up, please. So there's a kinetic chain when there's an injury in the knee. It goes down to the foot, up to the hip. Lastly, let this relax. Let's check your knee for proper motion. Let it go all the way in. Drop, drop. There it goes right there. Foot relaxed. Let the knee roll in, Miss Melissa. Drop it down all the way. Foot relaxed. Perfect. All done, darling?
Good to go.
Excellent.